So people who plan to buy on Hostinger often ask, how do I use the Hostinger coupon code? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the Hostinger coupon code and get an additional discount even on the current existing deals. So first of all, you have to select a plan which you like to offer. And before you get started, let me show you that the link you use from the description. If you click on that link, then you will be able to use any Hostinger discount coupon code easily. So once you click on that link, website like this will be appeared on your screen, and then just select a hosting plan out of these plans. Let's say if I select this web hosting plan, and over here I can see multiple plans. So let's say if I plan to use this plan, okay, you just have to add to use the add to cart button to add for hosting plan. And then once you select the plan, let's say if you go with the 24 months option, okay, then what you have to do is you have to write your coupon code over here. There's an option, have a coupon code here. Remember that Hostinger offers 5 payment plan options, which makes them a very convenient and very easy for anyone who plans to use hosting. Multiple billing options makes the buying process very easy for the buyer. So here when you select the have a coupon code option, you can write the coupon over here. And that in case if still you don't know which Hostinger coupon code to use, you can use mine, and that is Ali Raza Marketing. And with this Hostinger coupon code, you get additional discount. But even if you have any other coupon code, all you have to do is you have to select over here, have a coupon code, and write your coupon code and press this apply button. And then coupon will be applied, and you will even get further discount in it. So the beauty of Hostinger is that you get further discount even on already discounted price, 76% discount, and then you further get discount through this coupon. So the process of using Hostinger, the process of using coupon code on Hostinger is very easy. Once you apply the coupon code, you have to add your credit card and billing details and submit the secure button. It's very easy as ABC. Using a coupon code on Hostinger is very easy, and I definitely recommend Hostinger as one of the very finest hosting. And especially in case if you want to host your website on WordPress, or in case if you want to host your business website, my recommendations will be to go with Hostinger. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you, and bye bye.